Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I want to talk about something that completely shifted my perspective. A single question that made me stop and really look at my life. It wasn't some huge, dramatic moment with lightning bolts and thunder. It was quiet, it was honest, and it was powerful.
Ho, ho, ho!
The question was simple, but the answer was complicated. It forced me to see that I was living my life based on activity, not purpose. My days were packed. I was always busy, constantly running from one thing to the next, checking boxes off a to-do list that never seemed to end. But when I looked closer, I realized I wasn't actually becoming the person I wanted to be. I was just busy.
Ho, ho, ho!
Think about it like this. I was moving, but I wasn't growing. I was putting in the hours, working hard. But what was I really building? Was any of it adding up to something meaningful? The honest answer was no. I was on a treadmill, running faster and faster, but not actually going anywhere.
Ho, ho, ho!
My life was full of motion, but it lacked direction. It was a collection of tasks, not a journey toward a meaningful destination. That realization was the starting point. It was the moment I understood that being productive and being purposeful are two very different things. I was an expert at being productive. I could fill every minute of my day. But I was a novice at being purposeful.
Ho, ho, ho!
I wasn't intentional about my growth, my relationships, or the legacy I was creating. I was just letting the current of busyness carry me along. And that's when everything started to change for me. It wasn't an overnight transformation. It was a slow, deliberate process of asking myself why before I did anything.
Ho, ho, ho!
Why am I taking this meeting? Why am I scrolling on my phone? Why am I saying yes to this commitment? Each why helped me filter out the noise and focus on what truly mattered. I started swapping out mindless activity for mindful action. Instead of just working, I started thinking about building meaning. Instead of just moving, I focused on growing into the person I envisioned.
Ho, ho, ho!
It meant saying no to a lot of things that used to fill my calendar, which was scary at first, but it created space for the things that truly aligned with my purpose. It allowed me to be present, to connect deeper with people, and to build something I was proud of. So, I want to leave you with that thought. Are you living by activity, or are you living by purpose?
Ho, ho, ho!
Are you just moving, or are you truly growing? Taking a moment to answer that honestly might be the start of a profound change for you, just like it was for me. Thanks for listening. If this resonated with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.
Ho, ho, ho!